Good morning everyone and welcome to another video on Mr. Ong Maths Lesson. Today we are going to learn how to square any two-digit number in a fast way, and we do not need any calculator for that. So without further ado, let's start. The first question is the square of 24 squared. The method is very simple. You just need to square 2, it's going to be a 4. Square of 4 is going to be 16, so it's going to be 416. And then the next step you're going to do, you're going to multiply the numbers inside the bracket and the square. So you're going to multiply 2, multiply by 4, multiply by 2. So 2 multiplied by 4 is going to be 8. 8 times 2 is going to be 16. So what you're going to do, you're going to add a 0 to the question. Okay? The answer, sorry. So when you add 160, you just add 160 to the first number, add them up. 6 plus 0 is 6. 1 plus 6 is going to be 7. 4 plus 1 is going to be 5. And that will be the answer for 24 squared. Very simple, isn't it? Great. We shall continue with a slightly harder example. So again, 6 squared, 64 squared. So 6 squared is going to be 36. And 4 squared is going to be 16. The next step, you're going to multiply the number inside the bracket and the 2 here. Okay, so 6 times 4 times 2. 6 times 4 is 24 times 2. The answer is going to be 48. So again, you just need to put a 0. Add 480 to this equation. So 480. And you add them up. 6 plus 0 is going to be 6. 1 plus 8 is going to be 9. 6 plus 0 is 10. Carry up 1. 1 plus 3 is going to be 4. So the square of 64 squared is 4096. And that is a shortcut method or easy way to square any two-digit number. Okay, now we go on to the third example. By now you should be quite familiar. 57 squared, so 5 squared is going to be 25. 7 squared is going to be 49. The next step, multiply the number inside the bracket. So it's going to be 5 times 7 times 2. So 5 times 7 is 35 times 2 is going to be 70. And the next step, you're going to add a 0 to the answer, followed by adding the 700 to this equation. So 700 and add them up. 9 plus 0 is 9. 4 plus 0 is 4. 5 plus 7 is 12. Carry up 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. So the square of 57 squared is 3249. And check your calculator. I confirm that it's going to be correct. And last but not least, a slightly different type of question. So again, 72 squared, 7 squared is 49. But just remember, 2 squared is 4, but you have to have a two-digit number. So instead of 4, you have to put 04. Okay? Now, the next step, you're going to multiply the number in a bracket and the square. So 7 times 2 times 2. 7 times 2 times 2. So 7 times 2 is 14 times 2 is going to be 28. Next step, you're going to add a 0 to the answers. And then you're going to add this answer to the first answer. So 280. And you're going to add about 4 plus 0 is 4. 0 plus 8 is 8. 9 plus 2 is 11. Carry up 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. And check the answer should be 5184. So hopefully you learned something new today. And have a good day, everyone. Cheers.